Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making tater tot sausage breakfast casserole in a Ninja Foodi with smart lid. Alright, I'm starting out on my Ninja Foodi. I have it set on saute high and it's hot. I have 2 pounds of sausage, breakfast sausage, or just pork sausage. I'm going to get this in here, I'm going to break it up and brown it up. And I don't know if I'll have to drain the excess grease off, because usually this doesn't have a lot of excess grease, but if it does, I'll drain that off. So I'm going to get this in here and get it browning up. Okay, while my sausage is browning up, in a large bowl I have 8 eggs I'm going to scramble. Alright, now that my eggs are scrambled, move my fork over here so I don't lose it, I'm going to add in my seasoning. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of salt, and this is all to taste, guys. A half a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of garlic powder. You can also use granulated garlic, but don't use garlic salt. A little more in there. And my garlic powder is starting to get clumpy on me, so it's time to get rid of it. And a teaspoon of onion powder. Now, like I said, guys, you can cut back on the seasonings or add more. It's all to taste. I'm going to stir that in there. Just want to get that good and blend it. Alright, now I'm going to add in my cheese. I'm going to add in 1.5 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, and I have a couple packs I'm going to use up. This is about 1/2 cup. And if you go over, guys, no big deal. I'm going to call this 1.5 cups of cheese total. And I'm going to add in 1/2 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. That's good. I'm going to mix that in. I'm going to set this aside just for now till my sausage is done browning up. Right now that my sausage is all browned up, and I didn't have to drain it after all, it really isn't that much grease in there. I have a package of tater tots here. These are 32 ounces. They're still froze. I'm going to get them in here. Now, if you don't have an air fryer, you can do this in the oven. What you would do is do your sausage in a frying pan, mix your eggs up. Then you mix it all together in a 9x13 baking pan that's sprayed with oil or sprayed cooking spray, and bake it at 350 for 1 hour. But I'm modifying this for in the Ninja. So I'm going to go ahead and stir my sausage in with the frozen tater tots. And for you folks over in England that can't get tater tots, diced up little potatoes would work great for this, like potatoes O'Brien, or just diced up fresh potatoes. Just dice them small enough so they cook. I'm going to take my cheese mixture, cheese and egg mixture. I'm going to dump that in over top the tater tots. Get it all out of here. Alright. Now I'm going to stir that down into the sausage and tater tots. Just mixing it up well so everything gets well coated in egg and cheese. No fun getting a dry spot when you're eating. And guys, you see how easy this is coming together and how easy it is to make. This isn't intimidating at all. And if you have a regular air fryer and you have a big enough air fryer and you have a pan that'll fit in it, you can do it in a regular air fryer. Alright, now I'm going to close my lid down. And I'm going to cancel that. And I'm going to turn it back on. And I'm going to set this to bake. Bake and roast. I'm going to set it at 350. And I'm going to set this for 30 minutes, guys, because the air fryer will cook faster than your standard oven. And I'll go in periodically and give that a stir, because like I said, this is meant for a casserole for the oven, so I haven't made it in the air fryer. So I'm going to get this rolling, and I'll go in and stir it, and when it's done, I'll bring it back. Alright guys, this went for the full half hour. My tater tots turned into more like hash from going in and stirring that, but this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I went ahead and added some fresh parsley for some garnish. Let me get in here and try this. Dexter's happy that we're not having chicken today. It's really good. It's cheesy. You get the potato from the tater tots. You get that sausage, the seasonings in there, the 2 cheeses I added. That's really good, guys, and it wasn't hard at all. Alright, there you have it. Tater tot sausage breakfast casserole and a Ninja Foodi Smart Lid. Thanks for watching. Remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.